Hello everyone, in this economics session of answer writing, here I am going to take another PYQ. It is from 2019 and it is talking about overall Indian economy at that point, but we are going to see in present context. Okay, so first we'll read the question, then we'll find the demand and then we'll write actual answer. So first of all, we have to decode this question. Here, I'll read it first. Do you agree with the view that steady GDP growth and low inflation have left the Indian economy in a good shape? Give reasons in support of your arguments, 10 marker. Okay, so here what we'll do for a 2000 present context, will make it steady GDP or a stable GDP and moderate inflation. Okay, because this is what economic survey has estimated. Done. Now, so same question will continue but to present context. Now what we'll do, we'll highlight keyword. Do you agree? This is what your command. Okay, with the view that steady GDP, we are going to take it stable GDP. Okay, with and low inflation, they are saying low inflation. Okay, low inflation, will take it moderate inflation. Okay, have left the Indian economy in a good shape or not? Okay, they are asking, do you agree? So they are asking you to go for argument. Now you have to understand, they are asking you to go for argument. So of course you will have in a favor argument and in against. Most probably you can say कि no ma'am, I'll just write only favor, but in this you should write both. ठीक है, don't take such a stand only favor or only against. You should go with a balanced one. So you'll talk about favor and against. Now when you are talking about favor, what they are saying, give the reasons in support of your argument. आपको reasons भी देने. So you cannot say just favor what you are saying in a favor or against, but you have to give reasons, some data, okay, some facts like this, some reports. Fine. This way you will say. Now I can say this favor, in favor matlab you are saying ki yes, it is in the good shape. Then you can give your arguments. In against, you can simply write challenges also. It is one and the same only. ये आपको मेरा पार्ट समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं ये बोल रही हूँ कि पहले हम बोलेंगे हाँ गुड शेप में है, स्टेडी जीडीपी है, मॉडरेट इन्फ्लेशन है, बट विल से चैलेंजेस, एंड व्हेन वी आर सेइंग चैलेंजेस वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट सॉल्यूशन आल्सो. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज देन यू विल एंड विद अ कंक्लूजन. हियर यू हैव टू गिव द इंट्रोडक्शन. दिस इज योर स्ट्रक्चर. स्ट्रक्चर आपको समझ गया ये. ठीक है, कुछ और मत लिखिए, इसको अच्छे से लिखिए, रीजंस दीजिए, दैट्स इट. इन फेवर, अगेंस्ट एंड सॉल्यूशन. नाउ व्हेन वी आर सेइंग दिस थिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज अ 10 मार्कर, तो हमारे पास टाइम भी बहुत कम होगा. इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन भी हम थोड़ा शॉर्ट ही रखेंगे. सो आई स्टार्ट विद इंट्रोडक्शन. हियर when we are talking about introduction in a recent context, if they are saying stable and moderate, stable economy and a moderate this inflation, then what you can say in the introduction of recent, you can simply give economic survey 2025 to 26, and where you can talk about potential GDP which they have estimated for 2026 to 27, that is 7%. Okay, so you can directly write that 7% data potential GDP as per this survey. ठीक है, which is talking about what your economic status will be there overall. Done. Another, if it is very simple, you can go with another IMF report where it is saying India is world's fastest growing major economy for 4 consecutive year. Recent report it has given, right? So you can give that also. World's fastest growing major economy. So you are giving overall status of India, and then you will start whatever steady GDP or stable GDP, and then whatever challenges and way forward. So it is for 4 consecutive years. ठीक है, ये डेटा लिख के रखना है. Now when we got this 2 thing, intro, anyone you can use, simply write in and go for a main, because this is what they are going to check here. It is a 10 marker. They are going to see your body. Here they are going to see your arguments and reasons. So when you are saying yes, first of all, now you have to give the arguments. Now yes means you are saying ki yes, it is a steady GDP in with a moderate inflation, it will be helpful for a good economy. Okay, so you have to give some data. Yes, like you can say the real GDP as per the economic survey. Okay, for 2025 to 26, it is estimated it will be 0.4%. ठीक है, fine. You can give another one data where it is showing कि overall how it will give economy in a good shape, keep economy in a good shape, Indian economy. So here you can also say FDI has increased, okay, 13% if you compare from financial year 25. You compare for this from financial year 2024. That is good thing. So we are getting good investment. Now it is from the foreign outside. This is your outside inflows. So it is good. Foreign inflows भी बोल सकते हैं, which is very important for investment. Now another gross capital formation, gross fixed capital formation. It is also 30%. ठीक है. So it is a 30% of you can see GDP, which is very good. ठीक है. So here you can say कि expenditure like here investment in total investment in infrastructure is also increasing. ठीक है. And you are saying this. Another here you have to say there is a crowding effect along with this they have done, that is aligning with public investment will also align with your private investment or corporate investment, right? Here you can say by example performance linked incentive scheme for 14 इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर्स, कोर सेक्टर्स. डन. ये अभी रिसेंट का स्टेप है. ठीक है. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट जो भी बना के रखी है, एक्सपेंडिचर पूरा जो भी रोड एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, एंड दे आर आस्किंग प्राइवेट टू कम हियर एंड इन्वेस्ट एंड ओपन देयर कंपनी and create jobs. So all these things will, what it will do? It will create job. It will reduce poverty. Okay. And here it will make your economy in good shape. ठीक है, fine. You can say all these things because of this, right? But you have to talk about inflation also. So there is an inflation you have to accept, but here we are talking about positive, right? So you can say कि RBI has given target of 4% and CPI, if we check retail, it is less than 4%. So it is good. Even it has maintained the threshold also. ठीक है, so less than 7%, that is good one. And here you can say CPI, core one, that is minus fuel and food inflation. So it is also not increased much. So it is in this range, it is increasing. So it is more contained in recent months. Controlled है. So you can say core inflation is controlled, RBI target of inflation is maintained, and our real GDP and our GDP is like stable and steady. Here it is good, and even the FDI and all these things, even expenditure, capital formation expenditure is a good. Even private is playing important role in investment. So that will create a job, and poverty it will be reduced, and that will keep economy in a good state. Right? Now you have said all this thing positive, but here it will not end. You have to talk about another thing, that are the challenges in the present context. And yes, there is a high inflation, okay, which you have to talk about the challenge, and that inflation is in your food and fuel, right? So fuel is from, because of the reason US and Israel conflict with Iran. ठीक है, you can write this, or Middle East crisis. This price is increasing, and here it is also increasing LPG prices. Here you can say the data that 75% increase in the May as compared to February. In a very less time, it is increasing very high, LPG cylinder, right? And it is creating food inflation also. It is creating service industry. It is affecting service industry, which is very important part of our Indian economy. How? Like you can give example restaurant. ठीक है? This is from your current newspaper. Now these two things you have written ki like food inflation, fuel inflation, and service, है ना? It is affecting. After that, you can also say कि this inflation is here you can say some reasons or impact. Like if your inflation is increasing, your consumption expenditure will also your consumption person's expenditure will definitely affect. Here you can say purchasing power. When your inflation is high, I'll write like this, purchasing power of rupee will decrease, right? ये ऐसे वर्ड्स लिखने हैं, that will make your answer good. टेक्निकल बनाता है, तो ये इंक्रीज होने से आपका ओवरऑल एग्रीगेट डिमांड में इश्यू आ सकता है, ठीक है. व्हेन डिमांड इज रिड्यूस, ओके, आई राइट डिमांड हियर, अदरवाइज विल गेट, if demand is reduced, then job will also reduce because it will affect the business. Done. And it will affect your economy. Like this, you can give another very important thing. You can write, our rupee is weakening because of this. Okay, because of this inflation, it is weakening in foreign exchange market. It is weakening against dollar. In the world, we can say dollar, global में, ठीक है. So here it was 97 and now against 97 rupees against $1. Now it is 95.96. So you don't need to write this thing. Just understand it. Now rupee is weakening against dollar in the foreign exchange market. What impact it will have? It will reduce foreign inflows or FDIs or FIIs, right? It will reduce this overall. Because your rupee is weakening, no one will be interested in investing in Indian economy. So if we see from the outside, now again it will affect your overall, this thing will affect your economic growth. It will have negative impact, ठीक है. And we can see it is reducing the job also, and it is it will not leave India in a good Indian economy in a good shape. Now when we are going with a way forward, so here way forward what you can say, इसी का solution हम देते हुए चलते हैं, very easy, ठीक है. So I'll take another color and we can go with this. So when we are talking about inflation, food, so you can see it is very important to solve that problem. So here there is a open cell scheme is there related to wheat, okay. So we can go with the food inflation, we can address this way forward. Second, this is your supply side intervention. So you can write this thing, supply side intervention is required by government such as this. Done. One statement हो गया. Example this, supply side intervention is required by government such as open sales scheme for wheat to reduce food inflation. Fine. Second, you can write, when we are talking about fuel inflation, because we are majorly dependent on Middle East, so here you can say we need to diversify global supply chain for a fuel and other things also. Global supply chain, ठीक है. We cannot depend on only one part or one country or one major region. Third, you can also write related to when it is saying कि rupee is weakening in foreign exchange market. So you can say RBI has taken steps such as sale of dollars, which will strengthen our rupee against dollar. ठीक है. Recently it has taken step, and I have made one lecture also, one session on this. So you can go and see in a detail. After this, more than sufficient. You cannot write much. Okay, this is a 10 marker. So here half page this, another page this, and then concluded. So conclusion, you can say steady GDP with a contained मतलब control inflation, and with a low inflation or contained inflation word, you can say it is good for a sustaining Indian economy. That's it. Okay. So here will end, and here you can also link with the Viksit Bharat, but many times we cannot, every time we cannot say to achieve Viksit Bharat aim and all that. So here you just say कि contained inflation is very important. Inflation is not bad, low inflation is okay, but balanced one or a contained one is very important. That will be good for us. Low inflation, थोड़ा inflation होना भी ज़रूरी होता है because, okay, चलो. So I'll end up here and we'll go with another question next time.